Hey, what's up, family? It's Benedict Onyeka, and today I've got something that might just change your life, or at least your job search. Let me ask you real quick. Are you tired of applying to jobs abroad and getting absolutely no response? Yeah, I've been there too. It can feel like you're shouting into the void. But here's the thing. Some countries are still very much hiring foreign workers and offering visa sponsorship. So in this video, I'm breaking down the top countries still open to foreign talent like you, and the types of jobs they're looking for right now. Let's go. Number 1, Ireland. Ireland is still hiring foreign workers, no doubt about that. If you're a healthcare assistant, a cleaner, or even in IT, there are employers in Ireland actively sponsoring visas. Number 2, Germany. Germany needs skilled workers, plumbers, electricians, caregivers, and engineers. Some jobs even come with relocation support, so it's not just a job, it's a full-on move. Number 3, Canada. Now Canada stays loyal. They're still giving opportunities to home support workers, truck drivers, chefs, and caregivers. If you're in any of these fields, you should already be applying. Number 4, Australia. In Australia, sectors like construction, aged care, and farming are begging for workers. If you've got experience in any of those, you've got a real chance. Number 5, New Zealand. Quiet but powerful. They need help in healthcare, education, and agriculture. And trust me, New Zealand is beautiful and peaceful. Number 6, Finland. Not often talked about, but Finland is in desperate need of caregivers and support workers. They have a shortage and they know it. Sponsorships are on the table. Number 7, Netherlands. If you're into tech or highly skilled work, the Netherlands is one to watch. They're hiring IT professionals, engineers, and researchers across different fields. Number 8, United States. Yes, the US is still in the game. It's mostly in healthcare. Nursing assistants, caregivers, and tech roles in some sectors are getting visa offers. But here's the honest truth. Every country has its own rules. What works in Canada won't fly in Australia. So before you jump in, do your research. Tailor your CV. Check if your qualifications are accepted. Be intentional. And please, don't wait until everything is perfect. The people getting these jobs, they're not better than you. They're just consistent, intentional, and ready to take the leap. Let that person be you. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, drop a comment, and share this with someone who's job hunting from abroad. We rise by lifting others. And hey, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, because I've got more videos coming up with legit job links, application tips, and visa guides you won't want to miss. This is Benedict Onyeka, wishing you all the best. Stay focused, stay ready, and go for it. I'll see you in the next one.